Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Millennium Mall in Clarendon. Now we're starting the video here to show you that the mall, it's built in probably the wrong location. We're on the Maypen Bypass. We're not in the town of Maypen. Now we have three rules. There's a formula for a successful plaza. 1, build a plaza in a populated area. 2, you need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket. And 3, you need food restaurants in there to draw in the people. Now this is the Maypen Bypass, and in about a minute we're going to come up on the mall. And this is where the mall is built. Now we said in an earlier video that the mall was an epic failure, and most persons were like, give it time. But 1, there is no supermarket in the mall. The mall has been open for almost 5 years and there is no supermarket in there. That was a major blunder. 2, the mall was built at the wrong location. It's not built in a populated area. It's built, mark you have to get to and from the highway in Maypen, the Highway 2000 exit and entrance, you have to pass the mall. But that's not the traffic that you need for a mall. You need people to actually go into the mall. You need persons to go in and shop. So coming up now on the right is the mall. A very nice mall. It's a huge mall. It's one of the largest malls in Jamaica. But if they have 100 stores over there, probably 90 are empty. And I'm sure the rent is not cheap, and the maintenance. And there you can see the mall. It was just built at the wrong location, and they took too long to put a supermarket in there. So we're going to take a quick tour through the mall, a driving tour through. Select Grocers is the supermarket that's being built over there. There's a sign up, Select Grocers coming soon. But it's 5 years, I shouldn't say 5, it's been a few years. I'm not sure how many years. But this mall was open before COVID. So if you turn left there, you go on the Bustamante Highway. The first left will have taken you into Maypen, and this road now takes you to the mall, but it also takes you to the highway. Now if you look at this area compared to the town of Maypen, you don't even have anywhere to park. There are so many people up and down. And then out here, you don't even have a taxi. Not one person waiting to get in a taxi or anything. It's a huge difference. Okay, there you can see the sign, Select Grocers coming soon, and they're working on the supermarket. You can see the first store. Well, it has, I don't know if it's being set up. There you have a food place, Popeyes and Little Caesars. Now these cars out here, there is a Knutsford Express location here. So the persons are probably, there are a few stores, but there are so many empty stores. It's a very nice mall, well designed. very modern look, but it's just, I would say, well, I let everybody draw their own conclusion. But I think this mall was built at the wrong location. So when you think of how busy Maypen is, how busy the town is, and then you don't have a supermarket. Do you know how many plazas in Jamaica people call by the name of the supermarket in there? For instance, in Barbican, the correct name of the plaza is Barbican Village, but everybody calls it La Shushan because the La Shushan supermarket is in there. People can't tell you the name of the plazas, but they can tell you the supermarket that's in there. It's very important to have a supermarket. Now, Sovereign is building a plaza in Mandeville. Very nice. It's under construction, and I guarantee you, they have a supermarket there already, Shoppers Fair, and they have Domino's, but the size of the mall, I guarantee you they're going to have another supermarket, or they're going to move the Shoppers Fair into the new building, and a lot more food stores. I guarantee you that plaza is going to open and pick up and do well before this one does. So many plazas, as they open, they do so well. This one, it's going on a couple of years now, and I don't know, it costs billions of dollars to build though, and I don't know. Okay, on the left is the Maypen Bypass. If we go straight there or take that left, we go into the town of Maypen, and then on this road now we take the left and we go on to the Bustamante Highway. So we are going on to the Bustamante Highway now, and this will take us from Maypen to Old Harbor. Okay, on the right is the Mineral Heights area. A very large community just on the outskirts of Maypen in Clarendon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.